In a prior video, I showed how to set up CarPlay on my Toyota. Today I'm doing Android Auto on that same CarABC module. So first up, from the Android Auto screen, I'm pairing to Bluetooth and making sure it pairs right up. On my phone, I do have some settings to click through, and then reaching the part where I continue setup on the car screen. Click OK through here, continue through here, and then we're greeted by the Android interface. On the left, I have Google Maps. On the right, I have Player Pro, which is the app that I installed to play music. Compared to the Apple CarPlay menu, it does feel like the Android Auto one does have a bit more capability. This is the phone menu, able to check my contacts, conversation settings, and all that. With Player Pro as my default music app, I'm actually able to browse down to the folder level, and I'm able to play the exact song I want to play at the time that I want to play it. This is Google Maps. You can see that the resolution isn't as clear as modern vehicles, but at the same time, it still does show well on this screen. And finally, if you want to exit back to the regular menu, if you go up here and click the exit button, you go back to the CarABC interface. You press power, go back to your radio, and that's how you exit that whole interface. And if you press audio and aux, you come back to the CarABC interface, press auto again to enter the Android interface. That's it.